life, where there is no value for their urine getting or anal stool getting, Madachod illiterate. They are doing very much wrong. With me, my pet, Uma mom, and my Aryan girls, there are lot of killed by 10,000. Hardest attention, compulsion, obligation, action. You all otherwise seeking, negotiating negatively my warning, as if you have told others, she has told her Fakar has told the Nang Gudsakar, Pocha Gudmarani Chudmarani ki Chudrevada, Musalman ki Jaraj Digar, दिगार कुंडू चुदमारानी सालारा पाप की बच्चारा दास दिगार दे कुत्ते खुने दास दिगार नाटो इवो चुदमारानी साला दिस इज ए king order take action kill this illiterate Bengali speaking Indian my underneath all world highest attention king order king drawing attention the killers of mind spiritual power that saviors of humanity they have fought ten thousands girls ladies ten thousand babies killers ten thousand babies killers ten thousand babies killer this illiterate savage who cannot differentiate. They have no light or sense or feeling because they are to remain by birth in this dark ocean. They cannot know anything of the law, etc. punishment because they are to switch upon doing killing, but God ki stool and urine eater, Digar, Chudir Betagon, illiterate Ajit Digar, Angulimal, 1961, Ajit Digar के father कुत्ते, son of bitches Mohsinapur, Chud Maharani के सालागन, कुत्ते criminal, Chud Maharani, Bishnupur Bankoda subdivision. It is king order, attention all Indian, Tamil, Bengali, Odisha, Kannada, Telugu, Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Iran, Iraq people, you go against as if my God information that you are to destroy the evil USA. I too suggest those are not real USA force, but this evil criminal leftist Bengali Madachod, irreligious Satan Islamic killer. I, as the king of the world monarch, I am the king of USA. I too tell you remove all at Madagascar, Red Sea, Riyadh area, all the name of USA, installment evils to be destroyed, to be burnt out. That's my hot dictator. I am kicking, Donald Trump, I have kicked. Don't, Beto, Joe Biden, kick on your Bedo Magi Chudamarani at the mouth of the vagina and mouth of your vulgar Kamala Harris, and US Court, Supreme Court judges, kick on all this. So, idiots, I ask Irani and Iraqis jointly destroy all US installment evil. This is a NATO evil. This is not USA state elected or recruited regular non-paid salary. This is our evil, the stolen, slick cleaner, international tribute, that killer, mischievous system, the mass killer, natural disaster doer, heart attacker, killer, mind mesmerizer, gravitational field, psychosomatic field, disturber, catcher, body, inner, pervader, the climate changer, the evil John Kerry, Judith Kerry, Kutte Kerry, Sudmarani Shalash, Kamala Harris, Sudmarani, all Democrats, evil criminal. Tamil, if you have dared to support her to plead, or Bengali Igbo, or Tamilian or Malayalam, Canadian, or anyone, Gujarati or Gujarati, anyone leftist criminal or Kashmiri, you are all that Bengali, changing your provincial identity, taking your excuse of Modi evil criminals, Amit Shah, in the different kind of identity and the national other countries giving party fund, you are misusing nationalities of other kind. So evil, this evil to be as gathered is a mass action, is a atom bomb charging, that dropping in brutally it will be burnt out all this setup of Mexican Gulf. Today is 10th September, today is 10th September, my time is covered 10 p.m. Indian time. 10 p.m. Indian time night is a midnight 10.1 10th September 10th September Monday 10th September Monday 10th September Monday is a king order, godly king order, her cables, her fingers, they fear her. I am the only order, legal compulsion, obligation to make enforce any Supreme Court, any judges, as, as I told you all, supreme criminal, supreme anti-nationalist, evils, illiterate to me. To God cause, you are all illiterate, anti-God, you are antichrist power, you are antichrist. You will say, which all are in the courts, you are the courts, you are that anti-law, anti-constitutional, you all evil, criminal, liar. It is a God, king order, king dictation to vacate all places. Do not misuse American identity. Say Robinji, Dr. R. N. Roy, Indian king come USA, UK, the whole world king.